Hi, and Happy New Year to you all. 2018 is shaping up to be a very important year for the profession. There's a lot going on, but I wanted to take some time to address the proposed standards around education. The Financial Advisor Standards and Ethics Authority, FASEA, released its proposed new standard on education before the end of last year. The raising of education and professional standards is something the FPA has long advocated for. Firstly, I want to acknowledge that there's been a degree of anxiety, confusion and some anger from members in response to FASEA's proposed education standards for existing financial planners. We have been inundated with inquiries and we have endeavoured to respond to every single one of them. If you are still to hear back from us, please be patient as we are working through all your inquiries as fast as we can. It is important to note that the actual standard of a degree requirement for entry into the financial planning profession has been legislated. It is law and was passed in February of last year. What FASEA is tasked in doing is not only setting degree standard for new financial planners, but also the degree equivalent standard and pathways existing financial planners can use to demonstrate or meet the new standard. In 2017, FASEA released its proposed guidance for consultation on education requirements for existing financial planners. This consultation is open until the 29th of June 2018. I want to make clear the role of Fpeck. Fpeck is the Financial Planning Education Council and was established by the FPA in 2011 to provide curriculum and approved degree courses as a pathway into the CFP program. Now, the FPA gifted the Fpeck standard so it can be used to assess degrees for new financial planners. The Fpeck approved list was adopted by FASEA in October last year. It was never intended to be the standard for existing financial planners. The FPA position on existing financial planners is very clear and is mapped out in our white paper with the 100-point plan used as a way to have your existing education studies recognised as either meeting or counting towards degree equivalence. The FPA has never advocated for existing financial planners to have to complete an approved undergraduate degree. The FPA position is to continue to support and recognise those members who have completed studies that exceed the minimum RG 146 requirements. Today, we are releasing an FAQ to address the common questions we have received to date. You can download it from the FPA website. I cannot emphasise strongly enough that the FASEA position is a proposal at this time and it is up for consultation. Our approach is to constructively prepare a response advocating and articulating the areas of improvement or change, highlighting possible unintended consequences and risks to the public and the profession. We will be continuing to advocate for a system that appropriately recognises the extensive education most of our members have undertaken. Please take some time to read through the FAQs and keep a watch for your opportunities to participate in the consultation process. This is the time to have your voice heard and to make a difference to the future of our profession. Thank you.